Today, James and Pippa demonstrate their devotion to each other by dedicating themselves to a life together, by showing their respect for each other. By setting forth to honour the vows they have created today, their lives, which began on separate paths, will be joined as one.
I promise to love you, even though you think it's perfectly acceptable to have Yorkshire puddings with a roast chicken dinner.
It is!
Promise to love you, even when you're hangry. I promise to get lost with you. I promise to cherish you. I'll keep you safe if you keep me wild. I give you this ring
as a sign that I choose you.
as a sign that I choose you
To be my wife,
to be my wife,
my partner,
my partner,
and my best friend.
and my best friend
To the end of my days.
to the end of my days. And a couple of days after that.
Maybe, yeah.
Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure there's no turning back once we're out the door. Leave your message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be
I choose you to be my person. I choose you to do life with, to do the boring and the beautiful, the best and the worst.
By my side,